If you dream of becoming an astronaut, you should know, humans weren't the first to go to space. In 1957, the Soviet Union launched Sputnik 2. But on board wasn't a cosmonaut. It was a stray dog from the streets of Moscow. She was later named Laika. Back then, spaceflight was too dangerous for humans. So they used animals as test subjects. But here's the hard truth, Sputnik 2 was never designed to return. Laika was sent on a one-way mission. There was never a plan to bring her back home. At the time, Soviet officials claimed she survived for days before being peacefully euthanized. But that story wasn't true. In 2002, Russian scientists finally revealed the real story. Laika died just hours after launch due to overheating. The cabin's temperature soared past 40 degrees Celsius. Her heart raced 3 times faster than normal. The cooling system failed, and she suffered greatly. Her final moments weren't heroic. They were silent, invisible, and filled with stress and panic. For decades, that truth was hidden from the world. But as science advanced, so did our understanding of what really happened to her. Today, many scientists regard Laika as a hero. They say her sacrifice paved the way for human spaceflight. But we should never forget, she had no choice. She didn't volunteer. She was selected by humans who needed data. It was the height of the Cold War space race. Sacrifices like hers were seen as necessary progress toward beating the competition. But was it truly worth it? That's a question science alone can't answer. It's a question of ethics and humanity. Laika's body burned up on re-entry months later, along with her capsule. Nothing physical remains. And yet, her name lives on, as the first living being to orbit the Earth and a symbol of both triumph and tragedy. Behind every leap in science, there is a cost. Sometimes that cost is hidden. Sometimes it's forgotten. But it's always there. So what do you think? Was Laika a hero, or a victim? Share your thoughts in the comments.